also got some more important news coming in, other breaking news coming in, which we would like to reflect. One is, of course, what has happened in terms of the Liquorgate saga in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has granted bail to K Kavitha, the BRS leader, who is also, remember, the daughter of former Chief Minister K Kavitha. She has been granted bail in both the EDI and CBI cases. She will therefore now walk out of jail after 5 months. This is massive relief for K Kavitha, for the BRS leader, who has been in jail regarding the Liquorgate case, which has also put several Aam Aadmi Party leaders in jail as the past few months. We understand that K Kavitha has been granted bail by the Supreme Court in both CBI and the ED cases against him. So as a result, anytime today or tomorrow, she will be walking out of jail for the first time in 5 months. Let's go across to my colleague Harish, who's joining us with more details. Harish, this is a big relief, of course, for K Kavitha, but just through the observations of the Supreme Court in granting her bail in both the ED and the CBI cases.
Yes, in fact, a big relief for K Kavitha after being in jail for more than 5 months now. Supreme Court has granted bail to K Kavitha, says the Delhi Court order dismissing bail is quashed. K Kavitha be forthwith released on bail bond of rupees 10 lakhs each. She has furnished in CBI and the ED cases. She has to surrender her passport. She shall not influence witnesses, shall not tamper evidence. Some of the important observation is that probe against her is already over. A charge sheet has been filed. Also, the Supreme Court disavowed the finding of Delhi High Court that an educated and sophisticated woman can't get bail. The Supreme Court said it has to that has to be considered from case-to-case basis. Supreme Court also questioned how some of the prima facie agreed with the view of the petitioner that the evidence is primarily, arrest is primarily based on statements of several co-accused who had turned approvers, and so Justice Gave also took strong exception to observations made by Delhi High Court that K Kavitha is a well-educated and accomplished woman, and she cannot get the benefit of proviso of Section 45 PMLA for the purpose of bail. So big relief coming in for K Kavitha. But K Kavitha is alleged to be part of the South Group, according to CBI and ED, which paid kickbacks to the tune of rupees 100 crore to Vijay Nair on behalf of Aam Aadmi Party leaders to gain a larger share of Delhi market under the now scrapped Delhi excise policy for 2021. According to ED and CBI, Kavitha allegedly conspired with Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, to get favors in the excise policy formulation and implementation. But today, the Supreme Court primarily considering the fact that investigation against her is over, charge sheet has been filed, and also the fact that 493 witnesses are there in this case, and trial will not be over anytime soon, granted her bail in both ED and the CBI cases. This coming as a huge relief for K Kavitha. Back to you.
Harish, the other question which I wanted to ask is, what does this now do, or at least does this set the ground for eventually Arvind Kejriwal's bail as well? Because correct me if I'm wrong, he is now the only senior politician come chief minister or leader, state leader, who is now currently still behind bars, because everyone else, whether it be K Kavitha, whether it be Manish Sisodia, have already been granted bail.
That's right. Now only K Kavitha was inside. K Kavitha and Kejriwal was inside jail. Now K Kavitha has been granted bail. Now only, rightly said, only Kejriwal, Arvind Kejriwal remains in jail. All other accused, be it Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, K Kavitha, have been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Now only Arvind Kejriwal remains, and his bail application also coming for hearing next week.
Okay, it remains to be seen whether Kejriwal also gets bail as well, and he along with Kavitha also get relief from the Supreme Court.